Hello, today we're going to talk about the assembly of the Sidekick display. The Sidekick can be assembled as either a floor-stand display or a hanging display. First, you're going to want to open the box by laying it on the floor and sliding out all the components. The components include the instruction sheet, the hanging hooks, the floor-stand base, and the Sidekick itself. Let's start with the floor-stand base. Fold in the bottom flaps, which keeps the floor stand's shape. Next, you'll want to pre-fold the backer. Once you have the base shaped properly, you'll want to fold up and back the base shelf. Lock in the tabs to secure it. Now we're going to insert the Sidekick. There's a tab on the bottom of the Sidekick. You're going to want to pop that out, and that slides into a small slit in the base of the floor stand. To secure the Sidekick, there are locking wings that pop off the back, and they fold and then tuck into the base on either side. Fold back up to lock it in place. All that's left is to remove the shipping spacers and load product. If your Sidekick has the bottom section unperfed, you could either leave it that way for less product, or you could remove it by simply perfing off the section and exposing the shelf. If you're not doing a floor stand display, but simply hanging the Sidekick, it's very simple. On the back of the Sidekick, there are two holes where the hanging hooks go. You're going to want to fold the cardboard up so that it's double layered for strength, and then insert the hooks. Your display is now ready to hang. Thanks for watching, and give us a call if you have any questions.